Free education. A complete DAV solution.
DAV Public School, Solution of Social Science। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो सब्सक्राइब और लाइक जरूर कर लें, और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लें, ताकि नई वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। DAV Public School, Solution of Social Science. Class 8. Geography. Chapter 4. Mineral and Energy Resources. First we will do something to know. First question is A. Tick the correct option. 1. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of rocks? A. These are composed of mineral crystals. B. These have a definite mineral composition. C. These vary in hardness and color. D. These form outermost shell of the earth. Answer B. These have a definite mineral composition. 2. Which one of the following is the best quality of coal? A. Lignite. B. Bituminous. C. Anthracite. D. Peat. Answer C. Anthracite. 3. The major oilfields of India are located in which one of the following states of India? A. Assam. B. Rajasthan. C. Bihar. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer A. Assam. 4. The metallic minerals used in electrical industry are A. Copper and bauxite. B. Iron and copper. C. Mica and manganese. D. Bauxite and iron. Answer B. Iron and copper. 5. Petroleum is not extracted from the oil field of North Sea by A. United Kingdom. B. Denmark. C. Norway. D. Sweden. Answer D. Sweden. Next question we will discuss is B. Fill in the blanks. 1. A mineral is extracted from the region where its concentration is high. 2. METALIC minerals are divided into ferrous and non-ferrous. 3. Aluminium is obtained from bauxite ore. 4. Petroleum, coal, natural gas and hydroelectricity are conventional sources of energy. 5. HEMETITE and magnetite are the major types of iron ore. Next question we will discuss is C. Write a technical term or an appropriate word for each of the following statements. 1. Energy generated by turbines run by water falling from a height. Answer HYDAL power. 2. The resultant metal with improved strength which is produced by mixing two or more than two metals. Answer alloy. 3. Materials formed inside the earth by the decomposition of dead remains of plants and animals in sedimentary rocks. Answer fossil fuels. 4. Mineral deposits that are formed when a river erodes rock constituents from a primary source and deposits them in the riverbeds. Answer placer deposits. 5. The process of extracting minerals from the earth's crust. Answer mining. Next question we will discuss is Question D. Answer the following questions in brief. 1. What is mineral? Mention the three main processes of mineral extraction. Answer. All rocks contain crystals of naturally occurring chemicals called minerals. Three main processes of mineral extractions are A. Mining. B. Drilling. C. Quarrying. 2. What is tidal energy? How can it be harnessed? Answer. Energy generated from tides is called tidal energy. It can be harnessed by building dams at narrow openings of the sea. 3. Why do we need to conserve mineral resources? Explain any three reasons. Ans. We need to conserve mineral resources because of the following reasons. A. Minerals are exhaustible resources. These resources are limited and unevenly distributed. B. Industry and agriculture strongly depend upon mineral deposits and the substances manufactured from them. C. We are rapidly consuming mineral resources that required millions of years to be created and concentrated. D. The geological processes of mineral extraction are so slow that the rates of replacement are infinitely small in comparison to the present rates of consumption. 4. What are two types of energy sources? Which one of them is a better resource and why? Answer. Conventional and non-conventional are two types of energy sources. Non-conventional sources are better resources because they are renewable resources. They are less expensive to install and easy to maintain. These sources not cause air pollution and are largely eco-friendly. 5. Highlight any 3 advantages of using nuclear energy. Ans. A. Nuclear energy is very powerful and efficient resource than other alternative energy sources. B. It is an alternative to fossil fuels and can reduce the emission of the greenhouse gases. C. The cost of nuclear fuel, overall uranium, is 20% of the cost of energy generated. Next we will discuss question A. Answer the following questions. 1. How are minerals useful to us? Explain with the help of examples. Answer. In the modern world, minerals provide the basis for industrial development of a country. From the smallest objects like pins and nails to huge ships and aircraft, all are made of minerals. Minerals which are used for gems are usually hard. These are then set in various styles for jewelry. Copper is another metal used in everything from coins to pipes. Silicon, used in the computer industry, is obtained from quartz. Aluminium obtained from its ore bauxite is used in automobiles and airplanes, bottling industry, buildings and even in kitchen cookware. 2. In your opinion, electricity is a boon or a bane? Support your answer with relevant arguments. Ans. Electricity is an amazing discovery of mankind and it affects almost every part of his daily life. Electricity is used to run appliances and huge machineries, which would have otherwise had to rely on fossil fuels, a scarce resource. One of the cheapest methods of production of electricity is through hydropower, in which turbines are operated using falling or moving water. Electricity provides light and heat. It helps to operate life-saving medical appliances and machinery. The list is endless. Hence electricity is a boon to mankind. 3. What is meant by nuclear energy? Explain the progress made by India in this field. Answer. Nuclear energy is obtained from power stored in the nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. Major nuclear power stations in India are located at Kaigar in Karnataka, Kalpakkam and Kudunkulam in Tamil Nadu, Narora in UP, Rana Pratap Sagar near Kota in Rajasthan, Tarapur in Maharashtra and Kakrapur in Gujarat. 4. Assess the importance of petroleum on the basis of its wide range of applications. Answer. Petroleum is widely used as a source of power. Petrol and kerosene oil are the byproducts of petroleum mineral oil. As an industrial power, it is widely used to run machines, generate electricity and produce steam. Railway engines, motor vehicles and ships depend on it for their fuel requirements. It is used as a lubricant in machines and petrochemical industries for preparing rubber, synthetic fibers, etc. 5. Suggest any 5 measures to conserve minerals and energy resources. Answer. Following measures can be taken to conserve minerals. Many metals like iron, gold, silver and aluminium, once discarded, can be reused by recycling. Efficient methods of mining and smelting can avoid wastage of minerals. While using them also we should take care not to waste. Alternative to minerals like biodegradable plastic, wood and other substitutes should be more widely used. Following measures can be taken to conserve energy resources. A. Use of non-conventional sources of energy, i.e., solar light, solar torch, solar geyser, etc. B. Use of CFL bulbs and tubelights. C. Switch off the light and fans when not in use. D. Dry clothes in sunlight instead of electric dryers to prevent emissions and unnecessary use of electricity. A. Use public transport. F. Use of automatic electronic power saver. It saves approximately 30% electricity bill. Next question we will discuss is value-based questions. 1. How far is nuclear energy really a viable source of energy? Answer. Nuclear energy is a carbon-free energy source and can provide an important solution to global warming and energy security. It does not pollute the environment, if managed properly. 2. How can technological advancements fulfill the increasing demand for energy sources? Give examples to substantiate your answer. Answer. The Earth gets enough energy from the Sun to sustain a civilization at least 10 times the current population. It's only a matter of public choice and political will to continue with the solar energy efforts now underway. Considering that photovoltaic conversion efficiency is steadily increasing along with decreasing manufacturing costs, plus other means of capturing solar energy that haven't been utilized yet, there will be no shortage of energy for centuries provided global society has the right priorities. I have no doubt that technology will be up to meeting the challenge. No, revolutionary breakthroughs are required. One other potential source that could eclipse solar in relative abundance is controlled nuclear fusion, but that path has been a promise for the past 70 years and has always been 25 to 30 years out, so I consider it a big unknown at this point. More likely in 100 years it'll be the second major energy source maybe. 3. Why should we discourage burning of fossil fuels? List any 3 reasons. Answer. A. Fossil fuels like coal, wood, petroleum release unburnt carbon particles in the environment, which cause air pollution. B. Burning of coal and diesel also releases sulfur dioxide gas. This gas is extremely suffocating. The oxides of nitrogen and sulfur get dissolved in rain and forms acids, which is known as acid rain. This water is very harmful to plants, animals and historical monuments. C. Burning of fossil fuels also releases a large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which is responsible for global warming.
अगर आपको यह वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक जरूर करें ताकि आपको डीएवी स्कूल से रिलेटेड और वीडियो की जानकारी मिलती रही। आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर जरूर बताएं कि आपको यह वीडियो कैसी लगी। थैंक यू।